All right, today we've got a follow-up review for Grzzly Beard's newest release from their candy shop. So stay tuned. Hey guys, Brian Haywood here. Welcome back to my Beards and Banjos YouTube channel where we discuss tips and tricks for your beards. We do some product reviews and unboxings, and we've got a beard advice series where you guys can send in a couple of pictures to me to that email address you see below. I take a look at it for a couple weeks and you get featured in your own beard advice series video. So make sure you check that out if you haven't. And today we've got a follow-up review for an oil. This was my first UK company. This is Grzzly Beard. And they already had several different oils, lots of different scents to choose from, and now they've come out with the new candy shop line. And this got 3 different scents in the line. The one I got, Screwball Bubble, talk more about that in a little bit. They also have Mango Passion, which is mango and passion fruit. And then they also have a Lime Berry Pop, which is lime and strawberry kind of slush inspired thing. The one I've got here is Screwball Bubble, and it's supposed to be reminiscent of, there's an ice cream sherbet kind of stuff with a gumball down in the bottom of it, is where the idea comes from. Now, when I smell this, I get something a little bit different because I've never had the Screwball Bubble ice cream before. To me, I get a cherry blow pop, which is like a lollipop on the outside and bubble gum on the inside. So similar kind of thing. I really like the way it smells. It's not overpowering, and that it's kind of like a dark cherry. So you get a little bit more texture to it than it just being sickly sweet all the time. Let me smell this again. Yeah, so it's that real kind of dark wild cherry, and then you get a little bit of that bubble gum. This lasts me several hours. I just have the oil. I don't have the balm with it yet, but balms are coming. This should be pretty imminent here over the next couple of days. So it depends on when you watch this video. The balms will be available, and it's also redone the balms for his entire line. So working on getting the balance of the beeswax and the shea butter right, and trying to get it to smell more like the oil. So hopefully that'll match up well with that. So I would love to have the balm to go with this. Just really see how long it lasts throughout the day. And even though it is candy, some people don't like having those kind of sweet or food scents in their beard. The candy shop ones are actually pretty nice. I like it. It's not overpowering. It's not too sickly sweet. It lasts a good amount of time, but you're not going to knock anybody down with it. It's just going to smell good. And you think, oh, candy, you think it's going to be sticky, but it's not sticky. It's kind of like, you know, your basic oil. Let's talk about the ingredients. So by the way, the packaging is great. He's got different colors for the different bottles. And he's got one that's purple, and this one is pinkish. I think the other one might be red. I'm not sure, but lots of good stuff there with the labels, with the, it's like foil or something around it. Anyway, it looks silver, but it's got a little extra sparkle to it. So very great presentation. The website looks good, all that stuff. Now the ingredients on here, it says created with natural ingredients, argan, jojoba, avocado, and vitamin E oils. And then on the bottom it says it does have essential oils and fragrance oils. So if you're in the US, they do ship, or if you're in other countries, they do ship internationally. So make sure you check out their website. It's pretty reasonable. There's a $7.95, I think it is, British pounds is the flat shipping rate, which is just under $10. So $10 for flat shipping rate. So the more you get, the more economical it'll be for shipping. And the oils and the balms in this particular line, I think, are $14.99 pounds, which is, I think it was 18 something US dollars. So that's going to vary a little bit from week to week, depends on how the dollar versus the British pounds goes. But it's right in the ballpark. If you want to take a walk outside of your normal line of companies, you definitely want to check out the Grzzly Beard Company. In the beard, it feels great. Very soft, lasts a good amount of time. I would like to see how it matches up with the balm and see how long we can get out of that. But other than that, I definitely recommend that you check out Grzzly Beard. Awesome presentation. They seem to be really good products, great scents. And I appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you on the next video.